Hello, today is February 6th, 2016. We had some calls Thursday night. I was looking for a gap outside of Thursday's range. We had a gap. We promptly traded outside Thursday's range. That's awfully close, but it's not exactly what I said. The gap took this 1920.03 target off the table. It still should print at some time. We had a MEJT target which had failed from February 3rd. That target printed, that one printed on Friday. There was support under it and resistance over it. MEJT on Friday gave a new target of 1889.89, and that is my call for Monday. There are some other positive things in this chart. We dropped all day long. Usually on Friday, people would keep on selling into the weekend. No one wants to go long when the market's dropping like this. But instead, we recovered and could not close under the middle of the day low. Unless we take out this low promptly, ideally by gapping under it. That usually leads to higher prices. That isn't all the good news. We couldn't undercut any of these prior lows. This line's been tested so many times, at some point it just about has to break it down, but that doesn't mean it has to break down Monday. This is the half-a-day chart. We had bar 13 of a sequential buy signal finishing early about a week ago, but Friday we got a buy signal on the half-a-day chart with no early finish. That's a buy. On the 130-minute chart, we had another early bar 13. That's a buy. On the 30-minute chart, we had another buy signal in alignment. That's bar 13. It's a bit iffy when number 8 closes over number 5, but we have 3 different time frames in alignment, increasing the chances that it's going to work. I still am looking for one more leg up, and I'm still looking for this gold line to be hit. This is all the failed MEJT targets from February of 2014 till December of 2015. Having a failed target at the high is part of the system. This is the only real failure in all those times, so I think the higher targets that we have from 2016 are going to print. If you look over here, this is a Gann fan line from the all-time high. We have a drop of 262 points in 261 days. That's close enough to a 1-by-1 Gann fan line for me. You'll see how all these points lie on the line. So we have higher targets, inability to undertake prior lows, support from the Gann fan line, and we have demarked buy signals on multiple time frames. All these point to higher prices on Monday. But if we gap it down and or undercut this low at Monday's open, we have to reassess the whole situation. It doesn't necessarily mean it'll fall short because the stop loss on the demarked signal is based on the closing price, but there's so much positive stuff here that if we had the drop at Monday's open, I would start to question whether the buy signal is going to work. But the call for Monday is 1889.89, and that's today's call.